Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a My Creative Times Design Team project share. And so these are some of the items I am using. I'm using the Bright Halloween enamel dots. And remember, these, if she has any left in the store, you can go ahead and get them. Once they're gone forever. I'm also using the Spooky Bears ephemera, and that's what she just released, as well as the Spooky Pumpkin ephemera. I'm also using the Starry background embossing folder that she released last year. Cute Wagon dies. And I'm also using the 5x5 card die layers. And then the Leaf Wagon Add-on Plate dies. And then to accent the card, I am using the Glimmer Mist. And this is iridescent gold. And I'm also using the Martha Stewart coarse glitter glue, well, coarse glitter rather. There goes this cute, adorable little card that I created, and this is where I've added the coarse glitter on there. Just added some glue, sprinkled that on top, and then wherever it's stuck, wherever I put the glue, that's where it's laid there. And I also added some on the little bear and the little pumpkin down there. And as you can tell, the iridescent spray is all over that. Can't hardly see the stars because I added so much iridescent spray. And then, as you see, there goes the enamel dots. But everything turned out super cute. Thought that was adorable. There goes that wagon back there in the background and the leaves. I did not finish the inside of the card, but I thought that turned out adorable. So if you have the chance, make sure you head over to My Creative Times store. You can use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase or 15% off on release weekends. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much everyone for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.